Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix CryptPad account recovery problems in 2026. So if you're unable to recover your account, restore access, or complete the recovery process, this guide will help you troubleshoot the issue step by step. First, make sure you're entering the correct account information. Even a small typo in your username, password, or recovery details can prevent the recovery process from working properly. Next, carefully review the recovery instructions provided by CryptPad. Missing a step or entering incorrect information can cause the recovery attempt to fail. Now check your internet connection and make sure it is stable. A weak or interrupted connection can interfere with account recovery requests. Next, try the recovery process again using an updated browser. Older browsers may experience compatibility issues with account management features. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can sometimes prevent recovery pages from functioning correctly. Next, open CryptPad in an incognito window or a different browser to rule out browser-related conflicts. Now disable browser extensions temporarily. Privacy tools and security extensions can occasionally interfere with authentication and recovery processes. Next, make sure you're using the correct recovery key or recovery information if your account setup requires it. Incorrect recovery credentials will prevent access from being restored. Now restart your browser and begin the recovery process again from the start. Finally, if the issue continues, verify all account details carefully and retry the recovery procedure after a short wait. And that's it, you've successfully fixed CryptPad account recovery problems. Now you should be able to restore access to your account and continue using CryptPad normally. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.